Hi everybody and welcome to my video tutorial where I'm going to teach you how to restore or fix an old photograph that you have. I'm going to use the free program which is called Gimp. You can also use Photoshop, but you have to buy this. Okay, download from the internet and then install. When you have installed the program, you can open it. And then open the photo you are going to work. Okay, this is my photograph. As you can see, it is very old, it's dirty, gasket, and I want to restore this. First of all, we are going to double the layer. So go to here and double the layer. I'm going to work in this layer. First, you have to select the tool cut. So select by the edge here and press intro or enter. You can see the edge are no longer left over. Now I am going to teach you how to use the clone stamp, which is essential in this job. You have to select this, which is, let me see here. Okay. You have to copy an area which is good and paste in another area which is bad. For example, I am going to fix the trousers of this man. So zoom it. Okay, it is good. I select the clone stamp. I have to press Ctrl to copy and paste in another area, like that. And you have to copy more or less, but you have to spend a lot of time in this because it isn't difficult, but you have to spend a lot of time. But the result is very good. More or less. Okay. After, I'm going to show you the whole photograph which is restored, and I did before. Okay. Now, as you can see, this area is very homogeneous. It has the same color, so you don't have to use the clone stamp. So I'm going to use the brush tool, which is here. And you only have to paint this, to paint in this area. Before, you have to take the dropper to take a color, like this. And you take, for example, this color. This is good. Now you take the brush tool and let's paint. As I said before, I have the whole photograph and I'm going to show at the end. So you can paint like this. If you don't want to use the brush tool, you also can use the Gaussian blur. So go to this menu, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Oh, before you have to select the area you are going to blur. I select this. Okay. Now you have to blur, Gaussian blur. Let me see. Okay. As I said before, again, you have to spend a lot of time to give the photograph a good result. You can see the result with the double layer we made before. Okay, now I'm going to show you the difference between the first photograph, which is here, this, and the whole photograph which is restored by me. Here is. As you can see, the difference is huge, enormous. This photograph doesn't have any. It isn't dirty or gasket, and it seems that you have made the photograph yesterday with a sepia effect. I think it is great to restore the photograph with these programs. You can also put the photograph with a black and white effect. Go to color, tono saturación, que no sé cómo se dice en inglés, and you can put the saturation on 0. That is, maybe you prefer the photograph with a black and white effect, so you can leave the photograph like this. So this is the end of this video tutorial. The idea is simple. You have to spend a lot of hours doing the same with the clone stamp and restoring the photograph. And also you can use the brush tool or the dropper. But it is worthwhile, as you can see.